Painting a tank. It's not as straightforward or easy as you might think. In this video, we'll demonstrate the steps the team at Group HES go through during production. Here are our two spray painters, Paul and Kingsley. The first thing they have to do is get the tank into a position where it can be worked on. If the metal has not been shot blasted, it has to be keyed to allow the paint to adhere to the surface. Once this has been done, the tank then has to be turned, which involves the use of a forklift as well as numerous other people to help. The remainder of the tank is then primed. After this process, the tank is then left for 24 hours before the top coat can be applied. Once the top coat has been applied, the tank is then left for another 24 hours to dry. If the tank has to be painted a different colour on the inside, the tank will have to be masked to finish off the internal painting. Prior to shipping, the tank has to be inspected to ensure the paintwork is sufficient. Any touch-ups or rubbing down will then be carried out during this process. The tank then has to be protected for shipping. Again, this involves manpower and a forklift for putting the lid back on. Great care is taken by Paul and Kingsley to ensure nothing is damaged during this process. Once Paul and Kingsley are both satisfied that the job has been done well, then the tank is then loaded onto the truck for delivery. So there you go, there's a bit more to it than just painting a tank.